Recently, OnePlus launched its latest OnePlus 8T and one of the most awaited Android phone from the Google, which is Pixel 5. Pixel series are always known for their camera. On the other hand, OnePlus is known for flashing the big number and set up the benchmark in terms of hardware in their respective segment. Still, one segment where OnePlus is lacking behind is camera setup. However, with the help of OnePlus 8 series, they are trying to overcome. So today we are going to compare these two devices and find out which one is better. Hey, it's Nikhil here from TechNest, where I help you to amplify your tech knowledge. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for all future updates. Now let's jump into the video. Both the phones are 5G ready, but 5G network is still under R&D phase, so we will not talk too much about the 5G. Let's get straight to the other features. So firstly, let's take a look at the display. They look very similar. We have got flat display with small bezels and punch out on the left hand side. The OnePlus has slightly thinner bezels and a small punch out for the front facing camera. It also has higher refresh rate. So the Pixel has 90Hz and OnePlus 8T has 120Hz refresh rate, which does feel smoother and also slightly brighter compared to Pixel. Now the last major difference between these two devices is screen size. OnePlus 8T does have a large 6.5-inch display versus 6-inch display of Pixel 5. For those who do lots of browsing and consume lots of media will prefer OnePlus 8T compared to Pixel. So overall OnePlus 8T is better than Pixel. But the advantage of having compact design is that it is much easier to hold and use it with the one hand. Now while we are in display, let's talk about fingerprint scanner as well. Because OnePlus 8T does have in-display fingerprint scanner, whereas Pixel actually has a fingerprint scanner towards the back. Now in terms of speed, both are very fast, but when it's come to convenience to use, OnePlus have upper hand as it is at the front. So you could unlock it while it is kept on the table, whereas with Pixel you have to pick it up to unlock the phone. Now let's talk a bit about build and design. So Pixel of course is much more compact device and it also weighs a little bit less compared to OnePlus 8T. And we have different build design, whereas OnePlus 8T has a metal frame with glass panel on the front and back. And on the front we have Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Pixel on the other hand has Gorilla Glass 6 for the display and have an aluminum enclosure, which is coated with matte finishing, which does give a lot more grip and you will not get fingerprint on it. On the other hand, OnePlus 8T has a glass on the back which attract lots of fingerprints. Now Pixel does have official IPX8 water resistance, but OnePlus 8 does not. However, OnePlus does say that it is watertight and you should be fine to use in condition like the rain, but there is no any official rating. Coming to camera now, first we'll talk about the front facing camera. OnePlus does have a 16 megapixel resolution camera, but remember Pixel is known for processing the photo and AI camera app, and Pixel comes with 8 megapixel front facing camera which produce great color and dynamic range compared to OnePlus 8T. And both the phones are capable to record the video at 1080p up to 30 frames per second. And the rear facing camera is actually quite interesting because Pixel have 2 rear facing camera and we have got 4 rear facing cameras when we talk about OnePlus 8T. So we have 48 megapixel as primary camera in OnePlus 8T, 16 megapixel ultra wide camera which cover 123 degree of angular area, 5 megapixel micro and 2 megapixel for depth sensor. And Pixel uses their AI to eliminate these two micro and depth sensor and only have 12 megapixel as primary sensor, which is equivalent to OnePlus 8T 48 megapixel sensor, and 16 megapixel ultra wide camera which cover 107 degree angular area, which is slightly less than OnePlus 8T. Overall, you will get a nice picture quality from Pixel 5. Now let's move on to the performance, where it is actually easy win for 8T. It does have Qualcomm flagship chipset, the Snapdragon 865, whereas the Pixel has Qualcomm 765G, which is not much capable as 865G. OnePlus also comes with two options, 8GB and 12GB of RAM paired with 128GB and 256GB of storage respectively, using faster UFS 3.1 storage, whereas Pixel have only one option, that is 8GB of RAM paired with 128GB of storage, using UFS 2.1, which is slower compared to OnePlus 8T. For day-to-day activities, you will hardly notice any issue with either of these phones. But when it's come to more intense tasks, then the OnePlus 8T just gonna be better. And we do get Android 11 out of the box with these two devices. With Pixel 5, you will get complete stock Android experience, but on the other hand, with OnePlus, you will get Oxygen OS. It is very clean and adds some useful and additional features. With both the devices, you will get the best software experience, but you will be getting guaranteed update longer in Pixel than OnePlus. 3 years versus 2 years on the OnePlus. Although security updates you will be getting for 3 years on the OnePlus. OnePlus does have a dual SIM card. You can have two SIM active at the same time. This is something that you don't have in the Pixel. Looking to speaker now. So both do have stereo speakers, one in the earphone and one bottom firing. But the major difference between these two is Pixel comes with 3.5mm audio jack, which is something missing in OnePlus 8T. Now let's talk about the battery. So OnePlus does have a large battery size compared to Pixel. However, it has a large screen and large refresh rate compared to Pixel. So you will get the similar on-screen time from both the devices. But OnePlus 8T has 65W warp charger. Since OnePlus 8T has a dual battery setup, the charger actually split the charging and charge both the batteries parallelly, which helps to pump it 100% in just 39 minutes. Pixel has 18W charging, which is much slower. However, Pixel support wireless charging, which the OnePlus 8T does not. As well as that, Pixel also support reverse wireless charging, where you will able to use the Pixel to charge small devices like your earbuds or your smartwatch. So this is all about OnePlus 8T and Pixel 5. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, be safe and stay digitally connected.